Stop! I challenge Justin to a beatbox battle. That's right. I challenge him. Justin, where are you? Justin. All right. You gotta stop, man. I'm gonna stop. All right, man. You play something under, I can't do the beat. All right, okay. I don't know what to start with. Are you ready? I need some more mic and some more bass in this. You want to match fire with fire, right? You want drum and bass? I said, you want drum and bass? I said, yeah! You want drum and bass? Okay. Pain. 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 It's the time. Wait, is that over? Come on, Justin, yeah, that's over. Justin, what about me? It is over. Oh, no! Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? No, I'm saving it. I'm saving it. Is it gonna be the nigga from South Auckland? How about the nigga from Linfield? You have 15 seconds each. 15 seconds each. Okay, I just want to be both and sing at the same time. Somebody else wrote, so I wrote my own. You see the pain I feel is this boy you're at the same. Tell me, please don't preach to me. You talk before you can, but you try no brain scan. Jump and bass is no use to me. Don't want to be going up with you this time, baby. Give it up, man. Come on. Get up for money. Get up for the benefit, guys.